A common confusion in English writing is the proper use of lie and lay. Lay means to place something down or put it in a particular position, while lie means to recline in a flat position, or it could also mean to tell something that is not true. However, it's the first meaning of lie which is often confused with lay. Let me help you clear this up. Lay in a sentence requires a direct object. For example, I am going to lay the book on the table. A direct object answers the question who or what. In this sentence, you could determine what the direct object is by asking the question, what did the speaker lay or place down on the table? The book, right? That means in this case, we use the word lay. Let's have a look at number 2. She laid her keys on the counter. Find the direct object. Let's ask, did she lay something on the counter? Yes, she did. And these are her keys. Now in number 3, Mary is laying each loaf of bread in the basket. What is Mary laying in the basket? The direct object is each loaf of bread. So, lay is correctly used in this sentence. Now how about the word lie? Lie, which means reclining, does not require a direct object. For example, he is going to lie on the bed. Did he put something on the bed? No, he didn't. This means that lie is correctly used in this sentence because there is no direct object. How about in number 2? Last night, Harry lay on the couch. This is another thing you need to know. When talking about reclining, the past tense of lie is lay, which can be confusing, but the same rules apply. If we ask, is Harry placing something down on the couch? There will be no answer since Harry is reclining, not placing anything down the couch. Okay, let's see if you can identify which sentences did not use the words lie and lay correctly. Number 1, she lay down on the floor. Is this sentence correct? The answer is no. The correct word to use here is lie, since the speaker was reclining on the floor, not placing something down. How about in number 2, I am lying on the bed. Is this sentence correct? Yes, it is. This means that a speaker is reclining on the bed, not placing something on it. And number 3, he lay his phone on the table last night. Is this sentence correct? No, it is not. Here it seems that a sentence is using the past tense of lie, which is wrong since the speaker was placing an object on the table and we know that it happened in the past because of the word last night. The correct word to use is the past tense of lay, which is laid. Another common challenge in English writing is distinguishing the difference between emulate and simulate. Find out in this video when to use each word.